food on your plate and then gently feed it to your dog. Okay? I'm going to take a piece, feed it to your dog.
You'll be fed? You hungry?
Are you ignoring Mommy? Are you hungry?
He's gonna hit that button, he's gonna start talking one of those times.
Oh my Lord. She's never been that high. Noelle, what are you doing? The whole tree is gonna tip over. Oh God. Oh. Oh! Oh, he just jumped out of the tree.
Hopefully that young man's getting a weed whacker for Christmas.
I have to put it away. Flynn, I have to put it away. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to deliver Santa a gift. That would be 2 naughty cats. Look what they have done to the poor Christmas tree.
Are you tearing down my tree, boy? Bad kitty.
Oh, hi, Christy. Oi. There he is again. He's trying to reach stuff up there now as we're speaking.
Putting away our Christmas tree, only to find we have a kitty in our Christmas tree. Say hello, Trixie.
Kitty, come here, kitty, come here. Come on. Look, you got lights in your face. Come on, get out of the tree, kitty.
Are you? Oh, you're not allowed to be in there.
Here comes Livy to look at her.
We came here in peace, Luda. We entered your city by mistake, and we mean you no harm. Please, just let me.
Her own feet. She's going.
Mia. Don't. Don't do it, bud. Who did this? Oh, would it be you?
Franklin, what did
Franklin!
you do? His head is stuck in the box.
Okay, just got home. And look at all these socks on the floor. Look at all these socks. Who did this? Hey, Kitty, did you do this? Did you make this mess?
Do you need some help? Mia! What did you do? More. It's a double cat when you do that.
Okay, yep.
What is he doing? That's Sam?
Oh, thank you.
Are you scoreboard watching as you do before the game? Obviously, there was some afternoon games at 12:30. The Red Wings were playing, the Bruins were playing. How much did you guys as a team watch?
Snowflake's face.
And when the results went down,